guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys some Christmas stuff that I've been picking up. It's my favorite time of the year. I absolutely love Christmas. My theme for this year is going to be the Grinch again. I was actually going to switch it out and go with not Grinch this year, and that backfired real quick. I literally was like telling my husband like, so we're gonna do regular tree this year. He's like, no, why would we do that? So we're doing Grinch again. So if you didn't see my last year video, I'll go ahead and post it right here. I am not doing Vlogmas this year. Last year, honestly guys, it did not bring enough engagement to my channel. I actually, about after like the second day, my engagement went down the drain and I started losing subscribers. So I will not be doing it this year, but I will have still holiday content for you guys, so don't worry about that. And I might have a little bit of an extra video here and there as well. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. So let's go ahead and start out with Dollar Tree. I usually get quite a bit of Dollar Tree, but this time I didn't. I kind of held back a little bit because last year was like my Grinch little tree that was here was all Dollar Tree. But I did hold back a little bit. So I got some decorating ribbons. So last year I actually used these guys to wrap presents, and I also used it to wrap around the Grinch Christmas tree. So I got 4 of that red one, and it has like a nice little like glitter, I guess you could say. So I got some foam beads to be like fake snow. And I also got these, which my husband was like, is that glitter? I should have just got glitter. Which is flux snow. So I got 3 packs of those. And the reason I actually got those is because I did find these guys. My titi actually is really creative and was making a whole bunch of stuff. So she told me to pick some of these up. And I actually think I'm going to print out my daughter's picture, put it in the middle, and I'm going to give these to the grandparents. I got like 8 of these. But yeah, I feel like I didn't see these last year. So I'm so excited for this. And it just opens like that. And it has a little thing inside. So we'll see how I end up doing that. I will film that as well for you guys. And then I also got some lights as well, just for some of the Christmas stuff that I have already. So that is all I got at Dollar Tree. This is just more of those little balls there. All right, so the next place is Target. Now, Target, this, in general, this haul is pretty much different days. I didn't buy all this at once, but Target is going to be a little bit bigger, so let's go ahead and start with that. I'm actually going to start out with some clothes we got for my munchkin. My mom actually got some of this as well. So she got her this really cute PJs. I love holiday pajamas. They're my favorites. And this one's actually in 3T. These do run a big. So this one is 3T. And then this one is 4T because these do shrink so much. And they're really cute. They have some candy canes on there. This one is a very soft material. And this one is also 4T. And my mom actually picked this one out, which I was surprised because it's, I believe this is from the boys section, and this one's also 4T. My pants. This one is one of my favorites, and it is the Grinch. And let me make sure. No, this one was from Walmart, guys. Sorry about that. I didn't know she got this one at Walmart, but she got this one at Walmart. Now, Target does have one of these, but it is kind of like this. I don't have it to show you guys right now, but I did not get that one. The one at Target is $18, and if you go to Ross or Marshall's right now, they have a cute one that's identical to the one that is at Target for $10. So we got that one, and my husband already washed it, so I might put in a clip here of that. But yeah, we got that one. And then my husband got this because my daughter has been loving Toy Story. She was actually Jessie/Woody for Halloween. But yeah, it's really cute. I love that Forky is right there. Bling, Buzz, with these on the arm there. Super duper cute. My daughter loves Toy Story, so that is adorable. All right, so that is the clothes that we got. Hope you guys don't mind that I'm throwing it back there. Pretend it's not there. But that is there. So every year I do buy these cups. Let me take them out of the wrapper so that you guys can really see them. Okay, so every year we buy these. So this year they're so cute. We always get them for Christmas. This year was the first year we actually got them for Halloween. They are $3 a piece. I love these cups. My daughter loves her milk in them. We drink our coffee in them. And I think this one's my favorite because it's a little cute Christmas tree. Like this one's like, I feel like so Christmassy, up my alley. love that. I love those cups, so I'm so excited that I got my hands on them. All right, so then I got some pillows. Did I need pillows? Nope. But I had to. So these were $10 a piece. So I got this big pillow. It is so cute. You guys cannot tell me this is not the cutest thing ever. So it's basically the countdown, and I had to get it, guys. I had to. It's so adorable. We have a sofa in the basement, which is my husband's like little domain. And then we also have a sofa in my daughter's room and of course in the living room. So I thought each room deserved a pillow like this. Well, not exactly this one. Let me get to it. So then I also picked up this one. This was $10 as well. I thought it was a lot smaller, but I only got one. I feel like it looks really cute, and it matches my Grinch theme like ornaments. So I thought that would be really cute. I actually kind of want to put that one in my daughter's room though. And then I also picked up this one that was $10, and basically has a little candy cane, and you just kind of put it like there, like how many days to count down. And I thought this was really cute. I actually think I want to put this one in my daughter's room actually, because I feel like this is a little bit more interactive for her. Although I did actually buy her a tree that we're gonna put on the wall so that she can kind of decorate it on a daily basis next to our bigger trees. So yeah, we're gonna have that. I'll kind of put it on the screen because it's not here yet. It will get here a little bit later on in the month. And then I did get a couple things to decorate my daughter's room. So I got this guy right here. When my in-laws come, they always kind of do like a tea party kind of thing with her. So I thought this was really cute to do like a little hot cocoa. That was like $5. I also got this one, which I thought was really cute. She loves dogs. Thought that it was adorable. And then I also got this one as well, again, for her room. It's just nothing crazy, nothing she can hurt herself with. These are like felt soft material, just so that she can have a little bit more of the Christmassy theme and decked out, kind of like I'm going to do for the rest of the house. So that is all for Target. Now let me just quickly show you guys what we picked up at Marshall's, which was not a lot, but I had to. I thought it was already coming up. So one thing that I picked up is a cup. Did I need another cup? Absolutely not. But when I saw it, I thought it was the cutest thing ever. Let me go ahead and hopefully you guys can see that. But it literally is the Grinch on one side, and the other side says, "This is my resting Grinch face." So I had to get this. I'm actually going to wash it right now because it's so cute, and I need to start drinking anything out of it. And I love that it's a big cup. Yes. You guys, are you kidding me? This is more my vibe though. Yes, love it. Gonna wear it with my Grinch sweater. I'm so excited. I love the holidays. So then I found these. So I do have a Grinch onesie. We have me, my husband, and my daughter, and we also have a matching what do we have a matching of? A matching sweater. Why did I forget that? And I think I'm actually gonna buy another PJ set. But when I saw these at Marshall's, guys, I had to. Make sure my address isn't showing on that. I had to get them. And then it was a couple days after that, and we decided to go to Marshall's again. And I saw these, and my husband was like, "You have to get them." My daughter has matching versions, like me. They don't have any in my husband's size, which I'm sad about, but yeah, we got these. They're so cute. Okay, focus, focus. There we go. So cute. Are you kidding me? And I like that they're a little bit more like up here, so it gives her a little bit more support and warmth. But yeah, so that was all we got at Marshall's. Now we're gonna jump in to my favorites, and it is Hobby Lobby. Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. I know you see it. You guys, we got the freaking Grinch tree. Are you kidding me? I am so excited. So let me say that this has to 100% go to my best friend. She knew we actually spent like a full day going to 3 or 4 different Hobby Lobbies, couldn't find it, couldn't get our hands on it. The following week, my best friend went to Hobby Lobby, and her husband sent me a picture, and I thought he was kidding. And then she's like, "Guess what?" And I was like, "What?" And she's like, "They have your tree, the tree you've been looking for." I'm like, "Oh my God, get it." And automatically I was like, "Do they have another one?" And that's actually your stand right now. You're on another tree. You guys are chilling. That's my tripod right now. You guys are chilling on the second Grinch tree that I got. So I didn't buy it to sell it, because I feel like a lot of people think I got two to buy one to use and then the other one to sell. No, actually, the tree's kind of small. It's only 5 feet tall. Your girl's gonna put 2 Christmas trees up this year, one on each side of the sofa. That is the plan. We'll see. But yeah, they were 50% off, and I'm so excited, guys. You guys have no idea. I'm so excited. So excited. I'm gonna leave that right there. I'm so excited. Yeah. Okay, so then going with that, I went to get a couple more ornaments. My husband says that all my ornaments are going to be too big now for the tree, so I did get a couple of smaller ones, which are these candy canes. I feel like my other stuff is going to be perfectly fine though, because it's the Grinch. Like, I feel like it's supposed to be super extra, so I feel like even if it's bigger, it's still gonna be perfect. But I got 2. Got those. I did get some other stuff, but this I can't show because this year. So, the other thing I got, oh, let me not break that, is a rug for our front door. It'll be nice if I turn it around, which is this one. Last year we did buy one, and this year we found this one. This one was $10. They have the sales going on right now, so we got that. I'm sorry if you hear my in-laws outside. And then my husband actually, he grabbed this by himself, guys. So proud. And he got Who Wash. He said we need that for our bathroom to match. So they're so proud. All right, and then this was actually a couple weeks prior to getting the tree. This is what we picked up, because I was already gonna do. Oh wait, no, this is the week after I got the tree. So I already have one of these. I felt like I needed another one for the other tree, so we picked another one up. And I also picked this up, and it is a banner, basically. Let me see if I can find a picture of what that looks like, actually. When I went for this, was also like, it was like 50% off. And then I got this for my daughter's room. If I can kind of, you guys get the gist. You guys get it, right? It's a banner of the lights. Yeah, I'm gonna put this across like her room. I did forget to show you guys at Target. I did get a sign that's actually not gonna be here until like a couple days from now. But I'll kind of put it right here so that you guys can get the gist. It's gonna be that in the middle, and then this on the sides in her room. And then I got this guy, which I thought was super duper cute. I always put one on my door and in between my hallway. If you've seen my last like decorate with me, you guys saw that. But I'm so excited for this. I'm so ready for this. It's so cute. I'm like, how does this stay? But it has a little hook. It's so cute. Are you kidding me? I'm so excited. I am gonna film me getting all this ready. So again, it is gonna go. So I am gonna have one tree on one side, one tree on the other side. So I was like, I can't have the middle bare, which is basically the window. So I had to get this big guy. So he's gonna go in the middle. You guys, I'm so excited. And then the last thing I got is what I get every single year, and I thought I'll just get it now when I was there because it was 50% off. And last year they actually sold out when I went to go buy some. They didn't have any more, and I couldn't find it online, and I had to pay like $20 for one, and that's ridiculous because this is like, honestly, I've seen it from $4 to $8, so I'm not paying 20 anymore. But this one is the Scenticles a Christmas tree, and it smells like Christmas morning. I love this thing so much. I literally put it in every single room, and it just, my whole house smells like Christmas for weeks, and I love it. All right, guys. I really hope this video wasn't too long, but that is everything that I have to show you guys currently. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are excited for the holidays, and I hope you guys are excited for some decorate with me for Christmas. If you are, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.